Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the Forex currency pairs like Euro, USD, USD Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD Swiss franc for 3rd March 2021, Wednesday. So this analysis is for today only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So you can see that I'm in a 4 hours time frame, and right now market is trading at 0.9159, and undoubtedly market is in beautiful uptrend. Okay. So as per the area of value theory, okay, the area of value is or will be near this 50 moving average, but uh, but but the price is not coming to the 50 moving average. Okay, generally uh, it takes support at the dynamic moving average and then it bounces off, and that is the ideal position to buy. Okay, but for USD Swiss franc we see that it is not coming to the 50 moving average. Okay, it is not taking support at the 50 moving average, it is just trading above. Okay, so in that case what to do? Okay, so you can see that right now it has taken support at the pivot line. Okay, and this, okay, and it has made a big candle. Okay, before that it has made a big candle, big red candle. Can you see that? Okay. So this red candle also we cannot avoid it. Okay, so what we can do is that we can look for a sniper entry. Okay, sniper entry will be the best option for USD Swiss franc because it is not taking support at the 50 moving average. Okay, so in that case we should not also miss the fun. Okay. It's not it. So what we can do, we can look for a sniper entry. Something is wrong with the internet, I guess. Okay. So what do you see is that right now I've switched to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So to take the sniper entry, what you can do is you can do two things here. You can initiate a buy position once it crosses this level. Okay. Or this level. Sorry. Once it crosses 0.9199, okay, or 0.9200 level. Okay, let's go the round figure. Okay, easier to remember. So we can do two things here. Okay, first your first entry can be above 9200 level. Okay, if you see that market has given a breakout and it is trading nicely above 9200 level, then go for a buy. Okay, and on the other hand, if you're looking for a sniper entry, okay, what you can do is wait for stochastic RSI. Okay, wait for stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold level. Okay, when the stochastic RSI will hit the oversold level, and after some time it will go up again. Okay, when it will start moving up again, then just watch where the price is. If the price is trading above the 50 MA on the 1 hour time frame, okay, if the price is still trading above this 50 MA, stochastic RSI is also indicating that yes, it's time for me to go up. Then you can initiate a buy position. That will be a good buy position because in the 4 hours time frame we saw that it is not coming to our area of value. Okay, so uh, so two strategies for today. Okay, once it crosses 9200 level, you can go for buy if you see that market is trading beautifully, nicely, comfortably. Okay, and you can look for sniper entry where the market will be trading above this 50 moving average. Okay, above this 50 moving average, when stochastic RSI will be moving from oversold level onwards. Okay, then these two can be your entry or strategy for 3rd March. Okay, so this is it. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. If you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. I always try to bring analysis uh, so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you can make money. Okay, because it's possible to make money from Forex trading. So please subscribe my channel for regular market analysis, and thank you so much and good luck.